Introducing the Epson Workforce Pro et-8700 EcoTank All-in-One Super Tank Printer. Powered by precision core technology, high productivity for your business. This Super Tank All-in-One gives you cartridge-free printing with up to 2 years of ink in the box, so you're ready to print right away. That's enough ink to print up to 16,000 pages black, up to 11,000 pages color, for maximum productivity. And when the time comes to refill the tanks, you'll save up to 80% on genuine Durabright Ultra ink versus color laser, with ultra-low-cost, easy-to-load replacement ink packs. You'll race through projects at 24 pages per minute, plus less warm-up time means fast first page out of the printer. Epson's precision core technology and Durabright Ultra ink provides laser-quality printing. You'll get crisp black text and stunning color graphics with every page. You'll load paper less often thanks to the 250-sheet capacity tray, plus an optional 500-sheet tray. And the EcoTank 8700 has an 80-sheet rear tray for specialty paper like envelopes. Automatic two-sided printing saves paper, and you get auto two-sided copying, scanning, and faxing. Fast scanning increases your productivity even more. The EcoTank 8700's large 4.3-inch color touchscreen provides easy setup and navigation. And it features Ethernet connectivity, plus the ultimate in wireless capabilities for easy printing from your smartphone or tablet, along with Wi-Fi Direct and NFC for network-free printing. The EcoTank 8700's compact design saves space, and it comes with a product protection you can count on, a 2-year limited warranty with registration. With the compact and powerful Epson Workforce Pro 8700, you'll get everything you want from a business printer: fast speeds, print shop quality, high productivity, and an exceptional value with up to 80% savings on replacement ink packs. Epson. Exceed your vision.